So, farm tour, because I keep messing up. So, starting off with, this is Blaze's field.
Well, we ride in that field when it's muddy.
Well,
Here.
this is Blaze's field.
I thought we were riding in
We do, but this is also Blaze's field.
Yeah.
And then this is just the main field where those guys are. And it's very muddy today. As you can see, it was raining. But there's a nice hill. And next is Zara's field. And also they have their water. The shared water. And then this is Zara's field. But this is also pretty much the main field. Just when it is pasture time, we like run them out into their separate fields. And then we will probably lunge in we'll probably lunge in that one and ride in that one. And then I'm going to show you, but that's the whole trail. And then we have cones and poles. Because Tav Bell Racing really wanted a barn tour, so I'm giving you one. I only have 4 minutes though, sadly. So if we walk up here, this is the farm. This is the trail access. There's the house. And then we can go behind the barn. And now I'm gonna show you our horses. That's Mika. Hi, Meek. Eden, hey. I don't have anything. I'm sorry. She's an American Paint Mare, and she's Abby's grandma's horse. And then this is Bella. It's me and Abby's horse, Pony. She likes to give me kisses because she loves me. And then they have all this hay that they just.
Barn tour of your barn?
Nah.
Like your barn at your house? Your husband's barn?
Yeah. Then over here, and then in here it is Bella's stall, but I'm using it as Blaze's, and he has all his hay everywhere because that's Blaze. And then he has a salt lick, and then Zara has her salt licks. And then I'm gonna go do. In the summer, these guys get to run any field.
They share fields.
Yeah, Mika and Bella share fields. I was talking about Mika and Bella, how in the summer they get to go to whatever field. No, they get separated. Because Blaze is locked in a stall. And? That's your horse, so I don't have an excuse. I don't have an excuse to do anything. There's just garbage in there. And then we have all the grain in here, which I can show you. That's